In Hyderabad, there is a botanical garden. It's a beautiful garden having lots of plants, flowering plants, and trees with fruits. It has got apple trees, maple trees, mango trees, eucalyptus trees, sandalwood trees, and neem trees. In all the trees, there will be flowers and there will be fruits. There will be birds and squirrels going up and down. All the visitors to this garden, especially children, used to admire these trees and play around these trees. There was one tree which was very ugly. It was at the end of this garden. It was black in color and its branches were going here and there, and it had a huge trunk. Trunk means something like bottom. And nobody was coming near this tree. All other trees were heckling at this tree. No, you are not beautiful, that's why no bird comes and sits on you. Children don't come to you, you are very ugly, you don't have flowers, you don't have fruits and all that. So, this ugly tree became very shy and became very sad because it was lonely. Nobody was coming near it and it was at the end of the garden. So then one day it decided I should start inviting people and I should not feel lonely. So it saw one woodpecker coming and sitting on its bark. So it told the woodpecker, woodpecker, I request you to stay at the bottom of in my bottom. So dig one big hole, put your nest there, and your eggs will be there, and your younger ones will come, and I will take care of them. And all of them to poke the trunk and live in the trunk. And tell the squirrels also, they can come and hide their nuts here and they can live very peacefully here. The woodpecker was very good and it took pity on this tree. Okay, I will tell. In addition, I have got one friend called a sparrow. That sparrow is very good in weaving nests. It will pick up the small twigs, leaves and weave very good nests. So in the nest, any bird can take rest and lay eggs and all that. I will tell the sparrow. So it went and told the sparrow, sparrow, please come. This ugly tree is inviting all of us. It says it will take care of us. So please come and stay there and also make lot of nests for other birds to come and see. The sparrow also agreed because it was living in a banyan tree and it was very crowded. So it came to this tree and in every branch it put one nest, so that other birds can come and stay. And all the sparrows started coming. Then mynas started coming. Then pigeons started coming. Then one peacock started coming. Then one parrot came. One parrot came and seeing that parrot, one yellow parrot came, then one blue parrot came, one red parrot came. So lots of birds. So the tree was full of birds. At the bottom was a woodpecker and squirrels going up and down. And at the top you will have lot of food. The tree was very colorful because of the different color birds, especially parrots. And it was looking lovely and beautiful. and all the trees were very jealous of this tree. See how beautiful it has become and all. This ugly tree daily will tell one story to all these birds, and all the birds will assemble. They will chit chat, and if they have some food, they will share with each other. Seeing the colorful tree, all the visitors to the park came and visited this tree. They sat under this tree and ate, and whatever balance food is there, they used to give it to the birds and squirrels. So the tree was very lively and lovely. So the tree which was ugly became very beautiful, and it became a huge attraction in the botanical garden. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is you should not feel shy. Suppose if you are not beautiful or if you do not have friends, don't feel bad about it. You go and seek friends. You call the friends, give them what you have, be friendly with them, share your toys, share your food, invite them to the house often, and they will come, and your house will become lovely and